Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a tool that every sewing enthusiast should have in their toolkit, the Fabric Requirement Calculator from StitchingBusiness.com. Whether crafting a new dress, designing a shirt, or tailoring pants, determining the exact amount of fabric needed can be tricky. This calculator simplifies the process. Here's how it works. Select your garment type. Choose from options like shirts, dresses, or pants. Input measurements. Enter your specific measurements like chest, waist, length, etc. Calculate. Click the Calculate button and voila! You'll get the exact fabric requirement. This tool is a game changer. It saves time, reduces waste, and ensures your projects are cost-effective. Ready to try it out? Visit StitchingBusiness.com and navigate to their Fabric Requirement Calculator. Happy sewing! Link in the description.